everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Hi! Oh, I am so excited. This is turning out beautiful. I am super excited. So, yesterday I went and saw Hamilton with my bestie. It was phenomenal. And so I decided, because I thought I'd be up late last night, that I would take today off. And because I wanted a longer weekend, I took yesterday off, right? So Thursday through Sunday. However, yesterday I ended up having to get up and take my daughter to school. Then I needed to go and get that test done for my throat. If you guys are subscribers, I've had like this lump in my throat and they want to, do an ultrasound and see what's going on. And then that meant I picked up my daughter and then had to race home and shower and change into non-yoga pants and try to look beautiful for a night out. Then I went and had fun with my bestie, got home about 11:30, did some diamond painting just to kind of calm down. And then today, I realized it was my choice. There was a woman who has not been able to get in to see me for a while, and so I had to go into work for a couple hours and do an intake with her. So I got to sleep in a little bit, but I had told my admin team, hey, can you make it after 12 noon so I can at least have some of my day off? And I got the updated schedule, and good thing I checked, and they scheduled it before noon. So things are not going as planned, but that's okay. So after I was talking to this person and have this crazy idea that I hope I will be able to announce 1 week from today. We will see how it goes. And then after work, I was like, you know what? My husband's picking up my daughter from school because he has Friday off. I'm going to go to this Dollar Tree I've never gone to before. And oh my gosh, I hit the mother lode. And one of the things I found was this metal pencil box. It kind of opens and shuts. This one has little flowers on it. There's like a plaid pattern one. But I was there looking for things for my clients. I like getting the puzzles there. I get some of their composite notebooks for journaling, and just some really nice pens there and things like that because I supply it myself. And I found this and I was like, oh, I can put their colored pencils in here instead of having, that cardboard box, right? And then when I got home, I realized this is metal and it's attached. I love that it's attached so you don't lose the lid. How fun would this be as a, you guys know where I'm going with this? As a cover minder holder. So I just got home and I thought I'm going to test this out. And look, guys, you can put your cover minders in here and it's $1. How fun is that? And so I thought that was really cute. You could, have this laying right next to you. I also thought I may pick up a couple of these as potential patty wax holders because not everybody gets these 10s. And I thought, hey, you know what? Let me get a full-size patty wax. Yeah, so here's a full size. I've been using it. It fits right in there. And of course, I would make sure to have it. I don't have my full size one here because I wasn't ready. I just jumped on for a quickie, guys. And sometimes you're not ready for a quickie. Yeah. But it happens. But I would probably put this in a baggie because you could fit 1, 2, 3 of these bricks in here. And if they're in a baggie, the scents won't as easily cross over. So this was $1. Now that I know that I can do this, I might run back and get a bunch more of these. I did buy some for my clients, but I kept this one for myself. And I might get one for an upcoming giveaway I have. Who knows? So I just am jumping on real quick, just a little quickie to say love you guys. Can't wait to see you tonight in my live, February 7th. If you're watching this in real time, but I go live most Fridays from 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I love you all. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and have a fabulous night. Bye-bye.